Rocket launcher. Test 1.
It's pretty crappy in there. Hopefully it won't skip off the ground either. I'm gonna try to aim it like that way, so it'll go like sort of. Gotta put this on the interweb.
Alright, well, if it works, you'll get another engine and do it for the movie, right?
Yeah.
It's not gonna work.
Fucking crazy, dude. Go.
Should have aimed it. Oh.
Upwards. Do you have any more engines?
Yeah, I don't have it. It's hot glued in the rocket though, so I gotta make a whole new rocket.
Dude, don't put fins in the front.
It burned my face a little bit.
Don't put fins in the front, dude.